All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from 50 bucks to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at 50 bucks and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, good morning, everybody. It's September 14th, so here we are with JD, getting ready to have our switch back, right? We had our switch up, switch green, switching back to the purple, which means we're going to trade it short. So getting ready to jump in here. Let's see what it is at 80.04 and 80 or 79.68, 80.05, 79. So we're looking pretty good. 68. It's about 30. About 30 cents or so. Go over to the calculator. I'm going to put that in there real quick. We're still on a 250 risk reward, so 883. I'm just going to do 900. Okay, in about 10 seconds, we are going to get in. We are getting in on a support area here, which is a little bit sketchy, but that's the setup. Algo says to trade it. 3, 2, 1. And not enough buying power because I'm on another trade right now. Come on. All right, so we'll just take our 200 for now until we're out of this other trade. I got a bunch of swings open. So, yeah, we used up our buying power. Okay, so JD coming into the target. Too bad we didn't have full size on this. All right, so we got our stop in at the target. And there we go. So winner, a small winner, $75, but it's a full hit on the target, and that's the goal. So we're out of JD. All right, everybody, let's put that in the log and see if that got us to scale up a little bit. All right, here we are on the 14th with JD. So we got our $75 in the log. Go over to the scaling ladder. Scaling ladder. And we are finally in the $500 zone. So sweet. So that turned out to be a great trade. As long as we could scale up one. So tomorrow will be a scaled up day, everybody. So tomorrow we'll move up to the $500 zone, and will be the last day trading this week probably, unless I get lucky and I can get some time to trade on Thursday and Friday. But at least we're back in the $500 zone. Hit the calendar, September. All right, September. At least we're finally green in September now. So 1779. Just a slow. I mean, we had a rough. Very first day was bad, and then that took us way down on the scaling ladder. So then we have to scale back up from a small amount. So we've been slowly working our way back up. Right? You don't want to try to get it all back in one trade because you'll have a lot more of those, I think. So yeah, slowly getting it back. And unfortunately, I didn't have full size today because I was too heavy on some swings I took. And it is what it is, or we would have had a $250 winner there. But and then yesterday, I totally screwed up yesterday right on the exit. When I thought I was getting out, I ended up adding to my position. I was just a mess, or we could have had some nice money there. But tomorrow, we're back at the $500 zone. So we still have a lot of time to be able to have a really nice September. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.